Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to download videos from any website of your choice using Google Chrome. So if you're in Google Chrome, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, visit this website, that's chromewebstore.google.com. So this is where you can download Google themes and Google extensions. So visit this particular website and search for this. So search for start page 24 video downloader. So search for this, on Chrome Web Store. So search for this on Chrome Web Store. Select the first app, that's the video downloader professional. Yeah, so select this one. Yeah, and this is an extension, so you'll be able to add this to your Google Chrome. So select add to Chrome. Then tap on the add extension. Yeah, so wait patiently as the extension is downloading. So after the extension has been downloaded, it will install. You realize in here, the video downloader professional has been added to Chrome. Yeah, so the video downloader has been added to Chrome. And with this, I can download any video on any particular website. Yeah, so after the extension has been added to your Chrome, just go to the particular website that you want to, download the video from. And please kindly note this downloader doesn't support, or this extension doesn't support you downloading videos from YouTube. Yeah, it doesn't permit that. So in here, I have a website in here that I want to download the video. This is the video that I want to download. Okay, so just try playing the video. Okay, try playing the video. Okay, so after you're done with that, tap on the extension tab. Tap on the extension tab on your Chrome browser. Then click on the extension. Yeah, so you realize in here, it has given me a video list of the video that I can download in here. So in here, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is it. Yeah. So it will give you all the video list on that particular website. So if I want to download maybe this particular one, I'll just tap on the download. And that's it. So you just save the file, any file name that you want to save it, and tap on save. And that's it. So you realize the file is saving in here. So this is the best extension to download any videos from any website. Yeah, so if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. And also, see you in the next video.